To show you how you can create a landing page, sales page right in Canva. You can actually host it in Canva. You don't even have to download this and put it on your website, though you totally can. But the easier way is to do it right in Canva. So as you can see, I have all of my slides here for each different part of my landing page. There are 6 total slides in this one. So we are scrolling down. When you get to the bottom, it's probably where you would want to add your offers or anything like that. So here you're going to choose an option. One of the cool things about Canva is you can add links. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to link to my website, brandyourart.com, just for demonstration purposes. You can put whatever link you want to put. So you're going to click on it. Then you're going to go up here to the little link button. If you hover over it, it'll tell you exactly what it is. Go ahead and type your website in here. I'm in all caps, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. It'll still work. So I'm going to put my website there. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to confirm that a link has been added. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Again, just for demonstration purposes. And hit enter. Okay, cool. So you have all of your slides, you've added your links, you've updated the information with your information. This template is going to be available on my Etsy store, linked in the description below. So if you either purchase that or you're interested in purchasing it, the link is in the description. So once you have all of this filled in, you can customize this exactly how you want it. It's very user-friendly, plug and play, add your own details. This particular landing page is for booking a sales call. So what you do, so you don't have to download it, you're gonna go ahead and go to share at the top of the screen. I don't have it in the frame, but that's fine. It's right at the top. It's a button that says share with an arrow and a little box under it. So instead of downloading like you normally would, you're going to click on website. Sometimes website will not be right here. Don't worry. You can always click on more and all of your sharing options will still be there. So go ahead and click website and you're going to have these options: presentation mode, scrolling, classic navigation, standard. It explains what each one is under it. For the purpose of a landing page, you're going to want to click scrolling. So I click scrolling and then it's going to say open website. Go ahead and click that and boom, look, it's your sales page. It's everything you put. It pops up just like it should. Like, look how that slides in. It looks so professional, right? Scroll all the way down where you put your links. See, it's already linked. The whole box is linked. So they're going to choose which one they want and click on that. And look, it brings you right to brandyourart.com, just like I put the link in there. And you can do that exactly in Canva. You don't have to download these as PNGs or JPG files and upload them to your website. You can still link directly to your website, still make your sales, all of that stuff without ever leaving Canva. And they're just going to click on your link and call it a day. So that's exactly how you would share it with them. So you know, if you have a link tree or something like that, you can add in your Canva website and that's how you're going to share it. And all you would do is copy the URL at the top of the page and add that to your link tree. And actually, I'll just show you that now really quickly. I'll go into my link tree and I will go ahead and add in my Canva website. So I'm going to click on admin. I'm already logged in. I'm going to add a new link. And what are we going to title this? We're going to say book a sales call. I need to take all caps off. Book a sales call. Cool. Then we are going to paste our Canva link right in there. It is a super long URL. But that's okay. So you see this is our Canva link. You can do, schedule it, whatever you want to do. Bam. You click the link and bam, it takes you right there to the sales page. So this is great if you want to just put a link in the bio, if you want to do it in a link tree or something like that. That's an easy way to do it. And people can just go straight to your sales page, see all you have to offer versus just clicking a link and picking a day and a time and all of that. And obviously, if you use this as a book a sales calls page, you can actually link directly to your calendar in these boxes here. So hope that was helpful, showing you how to do a sales call landing page in Canva. You can use this for any type of landing page, just to help you make sales and make it look a little more professional and streamlined. And the templates, again, are available in my Etsy shop. Brand Your Art is the name of the Etsy shop. And you can also access this template on brandyourart.com. Thank you and have a great day.